So in the last video, we created a hasty line assignment for somebody to quickly get out there and go. You also could create a hasty sector assignment. Say that this elderly gentleman that we made up for this scenario used to like to go walk through the nearby woods down here. We also say we had two other dog teams waiting to go. Might want to have hasty searches done of these sectors, and so we could call these new area assignments, and we can outline this area. Right now, as you notice, or you could notice, is that there is acreage that's listed up here. So as I move this line around, it's going to give me an estimated acreage of what my polygon is. So before I complete this, I pretty much know that it's going to be 60 acres. So I might want to make this a little bit smaller. Maybe I want to send two dog teams down here and cut it in half. Or I can just leave it as is for the sake of this video. So you'll notice something. Unlike last time, I did not name or label these two sectors. And so that's something I can always go back to do afterwards. So I can go to Edit, which, by the way, if I just click on a sector, it pops up and shows it's 59 acres, or it is 33 acres. So I can go to Edit, and I can call this one S2. Oops. And Edit S3. Okay, so I now have three potential search assignments that need to be given out. I know how many acres each area is.